Ever wonder why your photos have those annoying dark spots, no matter how much you wipe your lens? Today, we're going to dive into the essential, yet often overlooked, task of cleaning your Canon EOS 2000D's image sensor, ensuring crystal clear photos every time. First things first, make sure your camera's battery is fully charged. This is crucial as the shutter needs to remain open during the cleaning process. Now, turn on your camera and navigate through the menu to find the sensor cleaning option. Select Clean manually. Once actuated, the camera will lift its mirror, exposing the sensor. Carefully remove your lens, placing it somewhere safe and clean. With the sensor exposed, take your bulb blower and gently direct puffs of air at an angle around the sensor to dislodge any loose dust. Avoid touching the sensor directly with the blower nozzle. If dust spots persist, it's time for a wet clean. Carefully unwrap a fresh, sensor-specific cleaning swab, ensuring it's free of any fibers. With light and even pressure, draw the swab in a single, smooth pass across the entire width of the sensor. Flip the swab over to the clean side and repeat the motion in the opposite direction. Once done, carefully reattach your lens. Turn off your camera, and the mirror will return to its normal position. Take a test shot against a plain background, like a white wall, at a small aperture like f/22, and examine for any remaining dust spots. Rinse and repeat if necessary. And there you have it. A clean sensor means pristine, dust-free images, keeping your Canon EOS 2000D performing at its absolute best.